Michael, what are you doing in the shop? It is 8:34 on Tuesday, I'm pretty sure it's Tuesday, evening. Well, we just got done with a wonderful welding class. So much fun, so great. Just when you see the student and the spark clicks, the light goes off, and it's just like, oh, there it is. That's so much fun. I'm so excited. I could go run for miles now. Just wanted to kind of share that with you guys. It's wonderful, wonderful. And we also, I think we figured it out. But I get a lot of complaints with people say, I can't see the weld. I can't see the weld. And so I think we figured it out. It is the hood. It is the hood. So for example, like I know my dad uses a helmet like this, and I think it's because it's more of like a traditional shade. It's like that green, dark, really hard to see through. And what we had the student using today was this auto darkening lens, which is a lot clearer, kind of reflects more of a blue gold lens, and just works so much better. He was able to see, he was able to look and do what he was needing to do. So yeah, I had a lot of fun. Let me see if I can turn this around real quick. So I just want to note, I don't have a wire. That doesn't really help. I just want to show you, this is one of his, that's his weld. Look at that. That is his weld. That's not bad at all. That's really good. And so he had a lot of fun. We were walking through a bunch of the different processes. So we had, he was trying to figure out, he's getting into blacksmithing, he's getting into welding, he wants to fix some stuff for his wife. And so he's like, okay, what kind of machine should I be using? What should I kind of be doing? And so we went through a bunch of different processes. He's like, well, I think I want to go towards the flux processes. And I was like, okay, well, let's try that. But we've got the MIG set up, so let's already try that. So we got the MIG welder, and we had him go through that. Again, really good results, because MIG is the easiest process to learn. We had him try flux. That one didn't go so well. We were looking at, you have to really figure out what the difference between the puddle is and then the flux. So we had a little trouble, but we were getting there. We were making some progress. You know, again, here's the start. Here's kind of where we ended up, a lot better. And then just for the fun of it, because he said he wanted to go through all the flux processes, we tried some stick welding. And that was entertaining. But again, that stick welding is the hardest process to learn. But what he got to do through this whole thing is understand, okay, what process is used for what, and what process should I use for me? And so I think we eventually settled on finding a machine that can go into 220, has the capability of gas, and you can do flux and MIG, just the best overall around thing to do. So, but kind of seemed like we'd steered him towards more MIG welding, and then also towards just a different shade auto darkening helmet. Hello, Steve. Thanks for watching. Yeah, so that's fun. We got him going, having a lot of fun. Also, I got to do some welding. I haven't done welding in a while. And I'm not bad. Not too bad. So anyway, but it was another fun day because I was out and about getting a bunch of work for everybody. There's 2 guys in the shop today working on stuff that I didn't do anything. But look at this. They got that made. They got that made. We're still learning. We're still making progress. There's a lot of cleaning and organizing. It was one of the guys' first day, so we were kind of walking through things. But things are rocking and rolling. We're helping people. We're moving forward. We're building the company. We're impacting lives, guys. Thank you guys so much for that. If it wasn't, I'll turn this back around. If it wasn't for you and your support, I would not be where I am. The guys would not have a job. We would not be able to help customers. We would not be able to build cool things for you guys. Not only are they practical, but they are beautiful. So this is all you. So I appreciate it. I thank you. And I'm going to go to bed. So thanks for watching, and let's keep building relationships one project at a time. Oh, that just turns it around.